Lesson 3, Attendance. We're going to start with figuring out how Provost counts attendance. And the first thing you need to know is attendance is taken by what work you finish by taking a quiz or turning in a paper. So, because bricks and mortar school counts when you sit down in a desk, we obviously can't do that. It's not enough for you to just sign in or read through a lesson. Instead, we have to count how many lessons you complete in your core classes and electives each week. And each week includes all 7 days because at Provost we want you to be flexible if you have a different schedule. So you can work on your classes whatever days you would like to during the week. But be aware that we count attendance through Sunday night. You can count a lesson as complete when you finish the lesson, including the quiz or assignment posted for that lesson. All lessons will have an assignment or a quiz, so you can be counted for attending that class. At a minimum, you must complete 5 lessons per course for which you are enrolled. For example, if you're enrolled in 6 courses, you must complete 30 lessons each week. If you're enrolled in 5 classes, you must complete 25 lessons for the week, and so on and so forth. This will allow you to finish one part of all of your courses in 1/4 of the school year. 4 quarters equals 1 whole class credit earned for the school year. So, what do you need to do to make attendance? There are 2 guides to help you make sure that you do not get counted absent or behind. First of all, you can look at your 7-day progress each week. So here we are on the home page, and you can check down here. You have a bar within each class. Obviously that one's not going to work, but this one's got one running. And this is your progress bar. This shows how much of the course you've finished in the last 7 days. You will need an average of 5 assignments per course of each week. Thus, 5 lessons times the number of assignments are the minimum class or lessons you must complete. Counting lessons is helpful if you end up working on one class more than another. For example, you might get on a roll and finish 10 lessons in science in 1 week and not have time left over to finish 5 lessons for social studies for that week. That's okay, as long as you finish the total number of lessons you need for the week. So if you're enrolled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes like Jess is here, she needs to do 5 lessons in each course. That's 25 lessons. But if she's really enjoying English and wants to do 10 lessons there, that's okay too. But she needs to finish that 25 lessons because she's in 5 courses. It's recommended that you practice on math and foreign language every day. That's because studies show that students need daily practice to do their best in these subjects. Now, some of you might have a custom plan with your advisor. These are to help you meet a goal to finish certain credits. Maybe you're behind, maybe you want to get ahead. You just need to understand what is expected to you based on what you scheduled with your advisor in order to make the minimum number of lessons you need each week. However, everyone should be completing 25 lessons at its minimum. Remember, if you do not have a custom plan, you need to do 5 lessons times the number of courses you're enrolled in. Now let's say hypothetically you're going to miss some school. Sometimes we get sick or maybe something else has come up and you're not going to make the minimum progress, those 5 lessons times the number of courses that you need for the week. If this happens, please have your parent or guardian call the attendance line and report an excused absence. The attendance hotline can be found on the end of any teacher email or by calling 303-658-9463. You're expected to make up the work when you are able to return to your classes. This will mean you're going to need to do more than the minimum lessons until you're caught up. We hope this helps, but if you have any questions, give us a call.